Hello students, welcome to DreamPath Foundation's Career Exploration Program. We are delighted to present a video series featuring various study options that students can pursue after completion of Class 12 or PUC. The idea behind this initiative is to impart guidance to students to follow their passion and pursue careers based on their aptitude, feasibility, and interest. We hope to realize the following objectives through this presentation on environment science. Understand the meaning and importance of environment, become aware of the global and local environmental issues, learn more about environment science as a career option, and explore some opportunities in this sector. What is environment? The environment is everything that makes up our surroundings and affects our ability to live on Earth. In the words of Lady Bird Johnson, the environment is where we all meet, where we all have a mutual interest. It is the one thing all of us share. It is the most important resource for life and therefore needs to be protected. Our planet is facing major challenges from threats like climate change, global warming, deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, air and water pollution, etc. In India, we are witnessing unusual and unprecedented spells of hot weather, changing rainfall patterns, droughts, depleting groundwater tables, rise in sea levels, and so on. Rapid urbanization has resulted in depletion of forest cover and uncontrolled waste generation. There is a growing need to address these issues with a sense of responsibility and urgency. How environment science can help us? There are a variety of living species on Earth, including plants, animals, bacteria, and fungi. Each of these species work together like an intricate web to maintain balance and support life. As we put increasing pressure on the planet, consuming more resources than ever before, we risk upsetting the balance of ecosystems and losing biodiversity. Environment science can mitigate the damage done using sustainable methods through conservation of biodiversity, efficient utilization of natural resources, discovering sustainable ways of living by minimizing waste, recycling, saving water and energy. How do I know if environment science is the right career for me? Well, there is no quick formula to arrive at a decision, but you can ask yourself if you have an interest in physical and biological sciences, if you deeply care about the issues affecting the environment, you want to be a part of the solution to many of the Earth's problems. If you have answered yes to these questions, then you are one step closer to making your career decision. What should I choose after class 10 in order to pursue a career in environment sciences? Environment science is a multidisciplinary field that integrates many scientific disciplines including physics, chemistry, mathematics, geology, botany, and zoology. Choose science stream after 10 standard with PCMB as the preferable combination. What are the skills required in order to pursue a career in environment science? A broad understanding of local, national, and global environmental issues, research skills. Environmental scientists base their conclusions on careful analysis of scientific data, so analytical and problem solving skills will be a big plus. Environmental scientists may need to present and explain their findings to audiences of varying backgrounds. Excellent communication skills will prove to be very useful. Interpersonal skills are very important as environmental professionals typically work in teams along with scientists, engineers, and technicians. You may not possess all the skills right now, but you can work towards it as you progress in your studies. What kind of courses are offered in environment sciences? For most entry level jobs, environmental scientists must have a bachelor's degree in environmental science or a science related field such as botany, zoology, chemistry, physics, or geosciences. Civil and environment engineering disciplines offer a good foundation for a career in environment science. However, a master's degree may be needed for advancement. Apart from the pure science perspective, one can also pursue a law degree and specialize in environmental law. Environmental law and policy go hand in hand and are incredibly important in protecting the environment from a legislative perspective. Entry to environment engineering courses will be through an engineering entrance exam such as Common Entrance Test or JEE. Some top institutions in India to pursue environment science: University of Delhi, Forest Research Institute, Dehradun, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi, Indian Institute of Science, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Indian Institute of Technology, New Delhi, Bombay, Kanpur. Environment sciences has influenced sectors like construction, energy, agriculture, automobile, etc. A glimpse of the innovations can give us an idea of the future prospects for environmental science students. Construction of green buildings designed to efficiently use energy, water, and other resources. Harnessing solar and wind energy as a non-polluting source of power. Organic farming practices to conserve water, reduce soil erosion, increase soil fertility, and use of natural fertilizers and pesticides. India is also part of the Electric Vehicles Initiative Forum dedicated to accelerating the introduction and adoption of electric vehicles. Let us take a look at the job roles that are possible with a degree in environment science. An environmental science degree equips you with a scientific background and key skills necessary for roles in a range of career areas. You can find opportunities in both public and private sector organizations. Forest and wildlife management as forest officers or conservationists, in water resource management, in pollution control boards as advisors and policy regulators. In agriculture, you can offer expertise in sustainable farming practices. Opportunities also exist in research, training, urban planning and development, to name a few. Here are some inspiring people who do not have an environment science degree but yet have made significant contributions to protect and preserve our environment. Nalini Shekhar, a social activist and co-founder of Hasirudala, is involved in creating a sustainable waste management system in the city of Bengaluru. Salu Marada Timmaka, an environmentalist from Karnataka, is noted for her work in tree planting. Anupam Mishra, India's water guru, has dedicated his life efforts to the conservation of water using rainwater harvesting methods. Here are some activities for budding eco-warriors like you. Visit websites such as biographic.com, worldwildlife.org, climate.nasa.gov, etc. to learn more about environment sciences. Interact with professionals working in areas like conservation, renewable energy, agricultural research, etc. to understand what they do at work. This is an important step in making your career choice. We hope you have found the information useful. If you have any questions, you can contact us through the following options. Through Siddhi, our career guidance helpline. You can call 823-952-3455 and talk to an expert between 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. Monday through Saturday. You have the option to record your query at all other times. Through our website dreampathfoundation.com by choosing Ask an Expert option. You can follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/dreampathfoundation. Thank you for watching.